Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply a work permit sticker on your passport. First, gather all necessary documents: your valid passport, the official work permit approval letter, and the physical sticker itself. It is crucial to ensure your passport remains valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Next, prepare a clean, well-lit, and flat workspace. This helps prevent errors and ensures proper adhesion of the sticker, making the process smooth and efficient for you. Now, let's find the perfect spot in your passport. You need to locate a completely blank visa page, usually found towards the back of the booklet. It is very important to avoid any pages that already contain stamps, existing visas, or other official endorsements. The work permit sticker is designed to occupy a full, unobstructed page, ensuring all its security features are visible and scannable. Taking a moment to choose the right page prevents future complications. With your blank page selected, it's time to apply the sticker. Gently peel the protective backing from the work permit sticker, being careful not to touch the adhesive side. Align the sticker precisely within the borders of the blank passport page, ensuring it is straight and centered. Once positioned, press firmly from the center outwards towards the edges. This technique helps to smooth out any potential air bubbles, ensuring a secure and professional application that will last. After applying the sticker, a final review is essential. Carefully verify that all personal details on the work permit sticker, such as your name and permit number, exactly match the information in your passport. Thoroughly check the sticker for any wrinkles, tears, or misalignments that could compromise its integrity. Some jurisdictions may require you to sign your passport near the new sticker. Confirm if this applies to your situation. This final check ensures everything is correct and ready for travel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.